Today we're going to be sharing how to make this brass heart garland for Valentine's Day. I got a bunch of these stamped brass hearts from Etsy, and then I got some gold floral wire, and then I used some pliers with some wire cutters in them. I started by unraveling my floral wire about half as long as I wanted my garland to be, and I left the one end attached to the wire and the other half I started threading through my hearts. So I'll thread the heart on all the way down to that middle section, and then you just pinch the wire right above the heart and give it a good few twists, and then straighten out the wire above it, and then continue to add hearts, trying to space them about the same distance apart. When you finish this half of the garland, you can either end it by adding one more heart to the end, or you can create a loop to hang it from. Then you'll repeat the same steps on the opposite half. So attached to the wire wrap, you'll unwrap another half of your garland, and then trim this, and then add on your hearts. Once you've added all your hearts, you'll finish this end the same as the previous end, where you'll either add a heart to the end or create a loop.